I just got this from Harbor Freight recently, and inexpensive, but not particularly sharp. I think I'm going to try to use the belt sander. Haven't done this before. I'm going to turn on the shop vac and try to vacuum up any particles there. So we'll see how well that does. I'm using 60 grit sandpaper on the belt sander. I guess I should have given you a up close and personal view before I started sanding. I was talking earlier with Lyons over at Lyons Fix-It Shop or Lyons Fish Shop, depending on what you're looking at. He was saying that he was showing me a different wax that had a much wider profile. And he's like, for carving, you're going to want to remove a lot of that material, right? So that you've got a profile much more like this. And I was a little lucky in that, this already had a profile that's good for carving. But I wanted it to be a lot sharper. I just got an old box of from sandpaper here. Yeah, and so yeah, that's not going to cut through, not going to slice through anything. So let me give it some more go here on the 60 grit. Got to be careful not to heat this up too much. Yeah, I think it's still hard to really see what's going on there, at least on camera. Actually, I'm going to unplug this while I'm working on it, just in case I bump the power switch or something. Test this out again. I'm not expecting it to. Oh, hey, it actually did slice the cardboard a little bit there. Not really going very deep, but it's better than what we were getting before. I noticed that I clamped this guy down. I was using him earlier. He was vibrating the workbench and shifting away. I was like, you know what? It'd be better to have this guy more locked down, especially if I'm, trying to get a precise sharpening angle. That's probably all that I need to do on the belt sander. So I think I'm going to take it back to the diamond stone here. And I've just been lubricating the diamond stone with some Windex. I'm actually going to switch to my 1200 grit stone now. Any of you that are avid axe sharpeners out there, please let me know, am I doing this right? Should I be doing things differently? Yeah, you want to hit my diamond stone there. That's not too bad. Way better than when I started, that's for sure. I know some people like to go up to like 4,000 grit Waterstone or 10,000 grit, but I've heard that once you get up to a certain level, you're not really getting much more actual benefit than just using the leather stropping with compound. We've got some experts out there. Please let me know, what is the best way to do this? Will I get much better results by going up higher than a 1200 grit diamond stone? There are a lot better diamond stones out there than what I've got. I've gotten much better results sharpening with this diamond stone than I have with any other system out there so far. That seems worse than before the stropping. Let's see how this does after stropping some more. Similar, I guess. Yeah, that isn't the smoothest of slices, but yeah, whatever. Here's what the blade looks like. I guess it's not supposed to be called a blade. Lyons was saying it's called a bit. Let me try cutting something up with it here. What should I try? Let's see. All right. Whoa, going on an adventure here, huh? Yeah. Well, it's definitely cutting in. That seems like it works to me. Can you guys see that? Yeah, that's. I mean, the first part is just bark, but yep, that's getting into actual wood there too. And this is just willow, I think, so it's not particularly hardwood or anything, but seems like it's able to do what I would need it to do. Probably fine, right? Yeah, that's probably sharp enough. For my purposes, that works.